You have one roll of each coin denomination, quarters, nickels, and dimes. In order to have your machine operate and dispense change for purchases, you must load these coins. Locate the control board on the inside of the main door. It will be located on the left near the top of the door. On the board itself, you'll see a blue button in the upper right portion. This is your service mode button. Push the button and you will hear a beep. Then move to the front of the door and begin loading your coinage. Note that you must begin to load the coins within 30 seconds of hitting the button. If at any time you are setting up the software and exceed the 30-second time limit, simply press the service mode button and continue the directed steps. Using the keypad on the exterior of the door, press the number 1 key and then begin to load the coins in order. When you have all the coins loaded, press the star key twice to exit. Now we begin setting up the pricing of each of the items in your machine. You can set up pricing by individual items, entire rows or trays, or the entire machine with the same price.